Hi guys, it's Cami and welcome back to my channel. This is the CamisCosmetics channel. I do makeup tutorials and lifestyle videos over here. I have another channel here on YouTube and it's where I host giveaways. So I post lots of videos about the giveaways that I'm doing over there. So go ahead and check out that channel if you are interested. I will link that channel down below in the description box so you don't miss out on any of the other giveaways that I'm going to be doing. So here we are, you guys, at the end of the KYLIE Cosmetics lip kit giveaway. This giveaway went from November through December 22nd and you guys are so cool to watch the videos and participate, and I think you guys just really want this lip kit, and that is awesome because I love makeup and I love having the opportunity to share makeup with you guys. Here is the Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner Duo. So there is a winner and this person is gonna get those two items in this one package. So you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the shout out for this video. You guys, I do shout outs and it usually comes from a comment that anyone has left under any of my videos. So this shout out comes from Sylvia M. So Sylvia M commented, "I love this look, really glam." Thank you so much, Sylvia, for watching. I appreciate you. You guys, Sylvia is talking about this video that I just posted on my channel. I spent so much time doing this eye look. I think it came out really, really nice. It's a party look and someone might want to wear it during the day. I definitely would, but I do recommend it for like New Year's Eve. So if you're interested in like a smoky, glittery eye, then I'm gonna link that right down low in the description box. So click that link if you are interested in the video. You guys, the red velvet lip color is so pretty. It's like a bluish undertone, so it's gonna make your teeth look just like a tiny bit whiter, and I really, really love those types of reds. To enter to win this lip kit, guys, all you had to do was subscribe to this channel, the CamisCosmetics channel, and to do it by December 22nd, Pacific Standard Time. Okay, guys, so it was very, very tough for me to choose someone, but also I want you to know that if you entered the giveaway but your subscriptions are not public, then I cannot tell that you are subscribed to this channel. So whenever you enter the giveaway and the requirement is to subscribe and something else or something else, always make sure that your subscriptions are public so I can see that you are here. The winner for this giveaway, you guys, is Rose Petals 101. Congratulations. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Just go ahead and check the description box down below and it's going to tell you exactly how to claim your prize. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me and participating in all that stuff. Don't forget to hit that notification bell up there in the right hand corner. It's going to let you know every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. My handle is always CamisCosmetics. Alright guys, I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!